The workshop is amazing. I definitely highly recommend you come to Bella's workshop. She's going to give you so much value to help you to break the patterns when you have a bad day. How cool is that? And she's also going to go into discovering yourself. I think a lot of people don't know themselves very well, and by coming to Bella's workshop, you're able to discover who you are and how you can work with people. That's amazing. The atmosphere is very good. Bella she's a motivational person who really lifts the energy up in the room. She'll make sure that everyone is comfortable, everyone is getting them. She'll ask us questions, and it's just an amazing atmosphere, amazing 2 hours I've been with her. What I'm taking away from Bella's workshop is their personality type, because that makes me really understand, oh wow, by understanding what people are, then I can actually tailor and actually work with them, collaborate with them, and that will make a very harmony working space. And that's amazing. I thought that was just amazing. I highly recommend Bella's workshop to just come, and even just being with Bella just makes me really happy, really energetic, and she's just such an amazing being.